In this video, I am still bearish with Bitcoin, but before that, I believe I owe everyone an explanation kung bakit walang video for the past 2 months. Well, just to give everyone a life update lang din kasi of course, if you guys have been following me ever since, I've been doing Gabs Crypto for almost 5 years na rin halos. And yeah, it's been a while since nagkaroon ako ng talagang mahabang break. So actually medyo bumaba na nga yung frequency ng mga videos ko, diba? And if nakikita nyo, unlike dati everyday mga videos, then bumawas-bawas siya na naging mga parang 4 times a month up to twice a month na lang. And then yeah, umabot na sa point na hindi na ako nakapag-post for the past 2 months. But yeah, just to give you a reason why, I've been taking a long rest lang talaga. Nagpapahinga lang talaga ako from all those 4 years na dire-diretso. And yeah, ngayon nakakakuha na rin ako ng mahabang rest, and I've been busy with just enjoying my time lang lately. And yeah, actually I've been into cars na recently. So if naka-follow kayo sa IG ko, makikita nyo na puro kotse na. And in fact, I'm in one of my current cars nga. And yeah, siguro yan, lagi ko lang quick clip kung ano yan. Ayan, makikita nyo yan yung dinadrive ko ngayon. And then yeah, so I'm going to post videos now. Babawi na ako sa inyo guys. Hopefully makapag-post na ako at least twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday, and then at least once ng weekend, either Saturday or Sunday. So basically that's 3 times a week. Tataasan natin yung frequency ng mga videos. And yeah, babawi ako sa inyo guys. So let's get back to the video and bigyan natin kayo ng analysis ko ano ba yung update ngayon sa market. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out upcoming videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's now understand ano ba nangyayari dito kay Bitcoin, or rather let's give you a quick recap sa huling pinag-usapan natin. And sa previous video natin, I was saying na Bitcoin can still go up, but we have to take note na we are seeing a massive bearish divergence here in the weekly time frame. So that's why I've been saying na I am bearish with Bitcoin for the next few months and next few weeks. And ang dami nagsasabi na, for sure marami sa inyo magsasabi na umakit naman si Bitcoin for the past few days and past few weeks. So let's now dive into that understanding kung bakit ba siya umakit for the short term and why am I bearish for the long term. So if you're going to look at the very short term, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and let's try to zoom in. You can see na Bitcoin has just actually been consolidating sideways for the past few months na, or for the past few weeks. And then right now, recently, we saw a massive Bitcoin move. And if you're going to zoom in pa further, that is because of this symmetric triangle forming in the 4-hour time frame. So para sa mga nakakaalam, a symmetric triangle is a 50-50 move, and it's a tradable opportunity wherein if magkaroon siya ng breakout within any of this either the resistance or the support area, then you can actually see na we can see na potential breakout to the upside or to the downside. But as you can see, nagkaroon siya ng candle close above the resistance, and it had volume, so that indicated a confirmed move to the upside. So in that case, nag-open ako actually ng trade up until the $110,000 US. And yeah, I've taken advantage of that trade. And that is the reason why we are seeing a move recently. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin when it comes to the short term? Looking at this in the short term, there are no clear indicators yet. But if you're going to look in the weekly time frame, ito yung gusto kong pag-usapan talaga, which is in the weekly. You can actually see dito na Bitcoin has been steadily increasing for the past few months na nga. But take note, take a look at this. Increasing price while RSI is declining, those are traditional signs of a bearish divergence. And in fact, that has already happened in the previous bull market cycle, wherein we saw a increasing Bitcoin while RSI is declining. Bitcoin has been steadily increasing, but as you can see dun sa final RSI increase niya, bumagsak na ng tuluyan si Bitcoin. And as you can see sa current movement dito ni Bitcoin, andun na tayo sa pangatlong akit niya. And more likely na after this last last na pagkakit ni Bitcoin, I think we are more likely going to see dito a bearish movement to the downside. It's just that we have to monitor itong 50-week moving average if we are going to see a bearish breakdown dito. But right now, it's leading towards, for me, a big sign na talagang babagsak talaga si Bitcoin. So in that case, ano ba yung magandang gawin dito, and will this indicate a long-term bull market? Well, of course, if you're going to look at this, of course, this is going to indicate a long-term bear market. Now, does that mean wala na bang opportunity sa crypto market? Mali, meron pa. And the big opportunity dito is if you're going to open a short position dito, then of course, that is going to be a very advantage move. So, does that mean na mag-open na ba tayo ng short position? I don't think so yet. The only time na we are going to open a short position na talagang malaki is if magkaroon na talagang ng bearish indicators in the 4-hour time frame and in the daily time frame, which is right now, wala pa tayong nakikitang ganun. So, hanggat wala pa tayong nakikitang bearish indicators in the daily and 4-hour time frame, di pa tayo mag-open ng short position. But other than that, meron bang opportunities for the long-term investors? Definitely there is. The moment na mag-break to below the 50-week moving average, we can actually do a DCA strategy dito, then saka tayo mag-add ng funds sa Bitcoin, and saka tayo habol sa next bull market. And of course, that will take many months of bear market, but I am telling you that is an advantage para sa ating lahat, kasi of course, that is a good sign for us to invest, kasi of course, the more na nagde-decline yung price, the more na mas nakakabili tayo ng Bitcoin na mas mura. And take note, guys, ang dami pong pwede mangyari sa crypto market. So of course, we are going to make videos within the next few days and next few weeks regarding that. And guys, if you want to know how do I do these analysis, you can actually check out our Gabs Crypto 101 playlist, and you can find the description down below. And if you want to learn more, you can actually check all of our tutorial videos. It's available, guys, in the description down below talaga. And guys, if wala pa kayo account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link and you can find in the description down below. You can claim of up to $30,000 of bonus if you're going to use our sign up link. So make sure to check that out, guys, in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.